In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your fixed reports. These are reports that are built into TeamWork 5. To do that, go to the top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or location selected, then click on Reports. To view a fixed report, go to the new top menu bar and click on Fixed, or select a specific report from the column on the right. This is a simple report showing the names of the crews created for this specific location. All I can do is view this report. Notice there is no Edit button in the top right-hand corner. I cannot do a filter or a style on this report, and I can't change the date, mainly because most of these reports are not date specific. For the few fixed reports that are date specific, you can adjust the weeks to days or months or whatever you would like. You can use the calendar icon and the forward and backward arrows, but if I do this now, nothing changes. I can also print this report. If I choose the print icon in the top right-hand corner, I will be taken to my internet browser's print feature. And I can either save this page or print it depending on how your internet browser is set up with your printer. To exit out of this page, I will choose Cancel. If I want to view a different fixed report, I can click the menu icon next to Fixed and select a different report, let's say Location Settings. Now I'm seeing that report. If I go back to that menu icon, I can click List at the bottom, and I will be taken to a list of all the fixed reports. That's how you can view your fixed reports. Check out the next video to learn about report users.